And ngayon, gusto tayo kakalaro ng Brookhaven palagi. Ayan na naman tayo sa Brookhaven. Inatap ko kasi to. Oh, tingnan mo. Umiiyak siya. Ang galing naman niya. Wait lang ako. Teka lang. Wait. Wait lang. Magdiyan yun sa avatar nga ako. Gusto ko tong bahay. Palagi-lagi lang. O, sige. Ate. Wait lang ate. Huwag ka magulo. Yan. Pasok ka na sa loob ate. Pasok, pasok. Pasok ka na. Wait lang. Teka lang, nalilin ko ako palagi. Doon sa avatar nga ako. Ito yung gagapitin kong avatar. Teka lang guys ha. May baso na dyan? Tralala! Bros, tralala dito. Tralala. She's up there.
We felt like we had just
She's not up there. She out there. Eto, kailangan, ayun, tumigil na siya kakayak. Teka lang. Kailangan ko pumunta dun para makita nyo. Dito nga pala yung taguan ko, kaya mag-close out dito, pero hindi talaga. Si Asa Perry. Ganda niya, no? Kasi pinatira ko na siya dito sa bahay. Tapos, ang cute-cute namin. Oh. Wait lang nga. Ay, no. Si Asa Perry. Nagbago na yung Brookhaven, guys. Nagbago na siya. Ay, nantipaklong na yan.
And the first thing I thought in that moment was, she would never do that because of the way she loved her life and how much she loved living it. So I knew that it was a lie.
May hindi ka pa nainom.
Wait lang.
I called my daughter Magdalena. I told her to meet with Loris, and I started walking. I didn't go inside. I stood outside the kitchen door. There were a lot of people already there. Some police and some
Wait lang, guys. Di ko matanggal yung short.
Some were actually laughing. I don't know. It just seems to me like that's the wrong place.
I know.
My opinion. After I'd been there,
Ay, teka lang. Hindi ko pa sinano.
she wanted to go up and see her, and I said no, Millie. I had no idea what my mother was going to see.
Ah, may maingay!
We filmed that moment when your mother went into the
Ang
house.
tanda ko dito. Teka lang.
It was as if the door to hell itself had just opened.
Ayun, tapos na ako. Mamadali kasi ako eh.
The victim was lying face up.
Ayun, tapos na ako. Tapos maghugas naman ako. makikita yung face ko,
When we got there,
tignan nyo.
around
Oh,
the victim's
ula,
neck,
ula, ula.
there was the belt of the bathroom, and it was clear that she'd been strangled. She'd
Di ko
been
di-
strangled to death. And there was also clear evidence that
Umalis ka dito, bawal. Bawal.
before her death.
Tumatay ako, umalis
Still
ka.
wearing a number of rings.
Pero ayaw mo na.
From
Umiilang
the
naman talaga
appearance
ako.
of the house, it was clear
Wala.
that it wasn't a burglary. The medical examiner who was
Isang pang punta mo, ibabad na kita.
they had taken from the scene, they had taken sheets
Iba itaw na punta dito, ang galing.
and other samples as well. They prepared them for transport to the
Oh.
laboratory.
She has a berry.
And when I left, there were a lot more people. There were more reporters, and I began to feel the
Magaganto ako kasi hindi naman kami aalis.
When we arrived there, the ambulance was just leaving.
Ano gusto nyo gawin?
From talking to friends and neighbors, we learned who the victim was. That it was a woman named Nora Dalmaso. Apparently, she was home alone. Her son Facundo was in Cordoba. Her daughter was in the U.S. as an exchange student. And her husband was playing golf in Punta del Este, along with the husbands of several women who were at the house. There was all kinds of chatter going on.
Oh, patay.
And
Kulit mo ha.
And we
Hawak-hawak ka pang
Someone
kaninang
will say,
bomba.
it was bound to happen. It's those little
Hindi mo
sex
yan matutuloy. Nandito lang ako.
That's where the scandal began. That was a missing ingredient that turned this into a huge nationwide soap opera.
Di na ako magiging maliit, guys, kasi babalik agad ako sa magiging malaki yun.
Is that this
Kaya
is a
magpapalit
serious
ako
crime.
ngayon.
It appears that we're dealing with a murder. And the prosecutor is considering an array of possibilities.
Is it
Teka
true
lang,
that
di
some
ako
sexual
magpapalit,
offenders
magpapalaki
were
talaga ako.
I'm not going to
Hala,
discuss that,
nakakalakad
as it's
ako.
part of an ongoing investigation.
Oh my God!
No rest of the day.
May bukol ka ba?
Dalmaso was last seen alive on Friday night at a dinner with friends. From then on, no one seems to know anything. Even the workmen who were doing renovations on the house could not shed any light.
We're ready for you. You okay?
Stop it, stupid!
To the beginning of
Stop it!
So that weekend,
Eh,
what did you do?
Well, let's see.
Di talaga ako nagbibiro. Di talaga ako nagbibiro. Hindi tayo alis.
Friday night and again Saturday night. I went on dancing with my friends. We had a lot of fun. It was a great time. And Sunday, I guess it was a so fun, right? Then asked my aunt. And she said,
Dahil?
Paco, where are you?
Ito,
I said, I'm in
hindi.
my apartment.
Anong ginagawa niyo doon? Tambay naman ako sa'yo.
I said, why? She said, your friend all night now. And I passed her over to Andres.
Ano pag ginagawa niyo to? Jump ng
And
jump.
they're hearing him talking as if in code. Yes, no.
Kamalikot.
Okay. He hangs up and says, Paco, we have to pack. We have to go to Rio Cuarto in Mademoiselle. When you drive into Rio Cuarto, the road descends, and you can see all the lights of the city. There, I got the feeling that something really bad had happened.
Di ako titigil.
We
O,
got to
diba?
my grandmother Rita's house, and
Ba't ka
Chris
malungkot?
was there. And he told me, Facundo,
Ay.
look, we'll try to...
Wait ka.
And then he left to make arrangements at the funeral home.
Basta crazy Roser. Teka lang nga.
I was in the newsroom working my shift, and it was just a regular work day for me. And our correspondent from Cordova called and told us that a body had been found in
Huwag
Vietnam.
ko sila i-best friend kasi ano nila yan.
There's so much more to it. Nora Dalmaso was one of the most powerful women in Rio Cuarto. Not because of anything she'd done, but because of her family's economic power. The Grassi Dalmaso family were prominent figures. They were a fixture in that town, involved in different businesses, shopping malls, services. That's why people talked about
Tignan
her so
natin
much.
sila.
And that was also because she was one of the most beautiful women in Rio Cuarto. That combination was irresistible to people. My editors
Nag-aaway na
realized
sila.
that, and they told me, you need to go there because this is Rome, and there might be many more stories behind it.
Teka lang, pupunta ba ako? Hindi. Pupunta ba ako? Hindi. Punta na lang.
We wanted to explore Via Golf in particular, since we had never been there and it was the
What
scene
the
of the
heck?
crime.
Alis na
All the
naman
houses
ako.
in Via Golf
Teka
had
lang
so
nga.
many. A
Di
garden,
mo kasi already.
spaces for
Teka
cars.
lang.
Not just one car, cars, plural. Nice fences, everything well maintained.
Namitig na naman ako. Gastos. Bastos! Ayoko kaya. Dito lang ako.
About life in Via Golf, the couples there, and these questions.
Ba't tayo
What's
man?
going on? Is the husband involved or not? He was the one person we most wanted to talk to, but we couldn't track him down.
Teka lang nga. Ano ginagawa nito?
So,
Magpalit kasi! Magpalit ka kasi, Ding! Para makapasok ka.
Nora's friends.
People were coming from all the newspapers, from television, from Buenos Aires, all knocking on my door. In our group, not as friends,
Ignore.
no one said a word. It was keep quiet, dear friend. Speak up for her, or just shut up.
Bastos! Dilig mo ba?
I don't know anything. I don't know. I have no idea.
They're her friends, but they won't say a thing. What is it that they know but can't or won't say?
That blanket of silence made a lot of
Bastos.
people suspicious.
Teka lang guys
because
ha,
they
may
thought
gagawin
these rich
ako.
people were hiding something.
Isa.
It's a difficult investigation that we're working on here.
Wait lang guys. Stop ko muna yung video, mabilis lang ako.
Possible.